Now, India is all set to make another highest vaccination record. As we speak, India has inoculated over 1.25 crore people already, only the fourth time when the daily vaccination has now crossed a milestone of 1 crore mark. The government is now aiming to cross 2 crore mark on the occasion of Prime Minister's 71st birthday. The BJP have been urged to promote the jabs, and state officials have been told to double the daily vaccination rate. India inoculated maximum numbers of people on the 31st of August last month. 1.41 crore people were vaccinated. In fact, the officials are now aiming for a new record today on Prime Minister's birthday. More than 63 lakh people were vaccinated in just the last 24 hours. More than 58 crore Indians have received their first dose, and nearly 19 crore people have been inoculated twice. Let me quickly cut across. Our reporters joining us from on ground. Akshay Nath joining us. Abhishek Mishra as well to give us a perspective in their respective states. Akshay, go on. Tamil Nadu, what's the vaccination pace? They've been complaining that they've not got enough doses to the state, but how is it at the moment?
Well, Nabila, in the state of Tamil Nadu, we're seeing that the regular vaccination drive is underway. We are at a 24/7 vaccination center, which is inside the Directorate of Public Health Department's office itself. And we can see how people have lined up here to get their vaccination doses done. Both Covaxin and Covishield is being administered here. We have doctors and nurses who are sitting on standby and doing all the due process for the same. Today being Prime Minister Narendra Modi's birthday, while across the country there is a mega vaccination drive going on. In the state of Tamil Nadu, it's just a normal vaccination drive that you can see on a regular basis. In the state, we saw that on Sunday there was a mega vaccination drive where around 28 lakh people were vaccinated, and that kind of a mega vaccination will happen on every Sunday is what the state health department had earlier told us. But we can see that today itself more than 100 people have been vaccinated in this particular vaccination center that I'm currently standing at. Today being a working day, it is a high number is what officials here have been telling us. And Nabila, we need to remember that the state of Tamil Nadu has been demanding more number of vaccines, and we have been seeing the administration also going ahead with ensuring that a large number of people are vaccinated on a regular basis. Even in the neighboring Union Territory of Puducherry as well, there has been a mega vaccination drive going on. Puducherry's Lieutenant Governor Tamilisai Soundararajan had also stated that in the next 15 days, the entire Union Territory should be 100% vaccinated.
All right, so we're hoping, and that's what we see. Tamil Nadu also looking at a vaccination drive at a fast pace. Let me cut across. Shiv Arur, right there joining us from the newsroom. Shiv, take us through exactly what the CoWIN portal says. A massive push to the vaccination drive today on Prime Minister's 71st birthday.
Well, Nabila, the numbers really speaking for themselves. They're flipping, they're out of control. They're constantly updating well past the 1.33 crore mark, which was the last record held by India. We've just hit 1.39 crore now, which is, with every passing digit here, a new record is actually being made, because this is much higher than the earlier. Seems to be pretty much on track to achieve that 2 crore mark, by the end of today. It could even happen in the next few hours, but very strong showing as far as the vaccinations are concerned. This is India bouncing back. I understand that there has been quite a bit of politics, a lot of questions about headline management and things like that. But at the end of the day, the numbers speak for themselves. The jabs are happening. The numbers are tallying up. There has been a very robust, fight back to actually make up for lost time for whatever reasons that had happened earlier, and these numbers really speak about it. If you look at social media right now, the number of people who are putting out grabs or videos of these numbers flipping, it's something that's really evocative. We're a country of 1.3 billion people, Nabila, and whatever numbers you look at, they are small compared to our population. Now, the actual percentage of vaccination means we've got a long way to go, but the fact that India is on track now with 1.39 crore done and about 2 crore by the end of day today, possibly even in the next few hours, means that this is a vaccination drive that has already made history. And that's really where it's at.
Speaking of population, the second largest in the world, and we've fared quite well in compared to several developed nations as well. India's vaccination pace matching up to expectations. We also have our reporters. Thank you, Shiv, for joining us. We have also Abhishek Mishra joining us from Lucknow, Nagarjun Dwarkanath from Karnataka. Abhishek Mishra, do take us through Uttar Pradesh as it's inching closer to polls. The vaccination pace seems like it's catching up to the promises made by the leaders there. Take us through the ground reality. What's behind you?
Well, absolutely, Nabila, and Uttar Pradesh is indeed ahead from other states because 9 crore Uttar Pradesh has already crossed yesterday, and I would like to show you how the vaccination is going on right now at one of the centers. This is a PSC center here in Chinhat, Lucknow, and you can see how many people have come. They're actually excited with the fact that this time it's open now. There is no need of taking a prior appointment. They can just walk in with their IDs and get the vaccination done. In this particular center where we are right now, 800 jabs, 800 slots are available. Similarly in RML, 1200 slots, in KGMU, 1400 slots. And you know, the slots have been increased. The number of centers have gone up to 13,000 in Uttar Pradesh. And with the massive vaccination which has happened in the earlier mega drives in UP has actually, resulted in these numbers. But today, it's a big day. UP is also on the track of making a new record. Although yesterday it was heavy rain in Lucknow and most of the districts in Uttar Pradesh, so that had affected in the supply of the vaccine. But so far, the vaccination is going smooth. UP has already touched 9 lakh today, and by the end of the day and till night, when the records will come and the data will be tabulated, then we'll get the exact number. But it looks like that the UP has also prepared in a way to give a better number again this time, although they have already touched 34 lakhs earlier. But this time it's very special as it's PM birthday, and at the same time UP is again pushing itself to make a new record.
Yeah, yes. Fantastic. Abhishek, thank you very much. Let me cut across to Karnataka. We have Nagarjun Dwarkanath joining us from there. Nagarjun, we know Karnataka, Bengaluru, they've opened up a massive vaccination center there, a new center, almost signifying that the vaccination pace in Karnataka as well is in full speed.
Well, that's true, Nabila. Karnataka stands to be number 1 today, mostly because they have vaccinated 13 lakh and above already. It's just 3 p.m. now and we have vaccinated 13 lakh. That's 1.3 million people in Karnataka alone vaccinated. And behind me is a 24/7 new vaccination center that was opened up this morning. It was inaugurated from BBMP. Anytime during the night also you can come in, walk in. The registration counters will be open. The health officials will be here. They will be administrating the jab. And what is also important is the pink booth here, which is also here dedicated only for pregnant women, women and lactating women. So dedicated line, dedicated booth only for women as well, so that they don't have to stand in the regular queue and waste their time. And that's the reason why the 24/7 vaccination center has come up. So Karnataka also has started this mega vaccination drive today. They are aiming at vaccinating 25 lakh people today, and every Thursday and every Wednesday this would continue, and the numbers would go up to 5 to 10 lakh on the other remaining days is what the government has put in place. But we'll have to see how it goes. But as far as today, history is being made with more than 1.39 crore people vaccinated across India, and Karnataka has given a largest chunk among that.
Fantastic, Nagarjun. Thank you very much. Milind as well joining us from Delhi. Milind, what's the situation in Delhi? Are people coming out there? In fact, we know that Delhi is already caught up with the numbers. What do you see on ground? How's Delhi picking up?
Well, I'm at a vaccination center in Delhi right now, and behind me you can see that there is a line of enthusiastic vaccine takers who have come here for their first dose as well as their second dose. These are people who are aware that it's very important to protect themselves from COVID-19. So there is a line outside vaccination centers in Delhi as well on a day that we are witnessing record vaccination of more than 1 crore and now counting above more than 1 30,000 or 40,000 odd vaccinations. And look at the kind of discipline that people are showing here. There's no hurry. Everybody is waiting in line. Everybody is trying to cooperate with the staff and the healthcare workers, because that is the kind of sentiment. You need to get vaccinated, and not just in states like Karnataka or Bihar or Gujarat, wherein you're looking at record vaccinations of more than 10 lakhs since morning. Even in Delhi, people are stepping out to take vaccines against COVID-19, and that is the kind of sentiment that we heard from the health minister. Also, sources have told us that the vaccine COVID dashboard is being continuously tracked since morning, and it is an achievement in itself that more than 1 crore vaccinations happened just half a day. And we'll have to wait and see till the evening what is the kind of number.
Absolutely.
But the
Milind,
quote is that
I'm going to cut across. We have some breaking news coming in right here. Let me cut across. Top government sources have told India today that currently the country is expecting to administer at least 2.5 crore doses today alone. 100 crore vaccinations expected in the first week of October. Government sources say that the top priority is to get poll-bound states, particularly, to be vaccinated. In fact, top priority here is to give out first doses of vaccine to states that are currently going to polls in few months from now. That also includes Uttar Pradesh, you have Gujarat. These are states that are going into polls, Punjab as well. Poll-bound states now given priority to vaccinate, particularly the first dose. And that apart, today on Prime Minister's 71st birthday, it appears that the government is now pushing to vaccinate 2.5 crore people. In fact, 2.5 crore doses at least. That's the mark that they want to reach today itself. We're looking at top priority to be given to poll-bound states. Let me cut across to Sneha Murdani for more on that. Sneha, please take us through exactly what aim the government has for today. We believe so far we've crossed 1 crore, and this is the 4th time, and we're inching closer to the mark that the government had promised much earlier to vaccinate the entire population by the end of the year. It appears to be happening.
That's right, Nabila. In fact, top government sources have indicated that looks like a very probable situation right now, given the pace that India has picked up, and also deriving confidence from the fact that gradually we are seeing an increase in the supply of doses. A small example, 19 crore doses is what the health ministry is given by Serum Institute just this month. Next month, expecting 20 crore. The thing here is that the government is expecting that we will have 100 crore vaccinations by the end of the first week of October. And there is an uptick when it comes to demand, is what we understand. Sources have also said that 2 areas of priority. First, one, that poll-bound states must get the vaccine, and also that before Diwali there should be extensive coverage at least of the first doses of the vaccine. So what Goa has achieved with 100% vaccination is what the government wants for other states also, particularly poll-bound, obviously keeping elections in mind. It can't be seen separately from the vaccination drive. I think we all know that by now.
Right.
But what's most important is that they are...
Well, there you have it. Sneha Murdani with that information here. We're looking at inching to 2.5 crore doses today itself. That's the milestone that the government wants to achieve on the 71st birthday of Prime Minister Modi. That apart, it appears vaccination priority to be given to poll-bound states, particularly the first dose priority will be given to poll-bound states is what we hear.